Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you post a job on Upwork. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Upwork and log into your account. Make sure you have a client account because you can only be able to post a job if you have a client account. So make sure you have a client account, not a freelancer account. So once you have your client account and logged into your account, so what you have to do on your dashboard here, you will see an option called post a job. Click on post a job. So this will initiate the process of posting a job. So that's it. So firstly, you need a title for your job. So just um, type in a title for your job. All right. So just type that and then click on next, and then next is the skill. So search the skill that's needed or required for the job. So you can just add or type in your one or choose anything from here, all those things. Then next, click on next, and then here you can you can choose the size of your project and the timeline. So you can just choose any of these based on your project or your work that you're going to post. So you just choose that based on your preference. All right, so make all these selections here, then click on next. For the budget, so how you going to how you going to budget this job here you're posting, whether it's a hourly rate or a fixed project budget. So you can just type that in and then type in the amount. All right, so type that in and then click on next, and finally you just have to give more explanation on your job. So what is the job, and just give a small description on what is it about, so that when someone is applying for it, they will know what it is about. So just give your expectations, your skills, all things, the whatever that's required, and just give a brief description of this job. And also if you have anything, any specific files to attach in regards to this job or post, so you can just attach it here. And once that's done, just click on the review option here. So that will move to your next process where you just have to review, and then your job will be reviewed and then will be posted. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.